Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create tables in ServiceNow platform. Last class I have just created a basic table. In today's class I will create a table which a number of fields in the tables, and I will add some choices, strings, and each and everything. I will explain in this video regarding how to create a table in a clear manner. Okay. This is the navigation page. As you all know, this is my developer instance, dev2742228. This is my instance, okay? Now let me go to the all and search for tables. And I think everyone know, right? The pattern name for tables is sys underscore db underscore object underscore list dot do. This is the pattern name for the tables. Okay, I think everyone knows. I think so. It's very important. Or you can go for here. You can search for tables also. Here we have in system navigation, system definition. You will have tables. Okay, but in it you will see here the tables. Okay, tables info. Now, in today's class, I will create a table regarding employee onboarding. Okay, how the employee onboarding table will be created in a clear manner. I will explain in a clear manner. Okay, you will see how I will going to create a table. Okay, this is the table navigation, as you all know think, right? Now click on this new. This is the label name I will give in as MP, employee onboarding. Okay, it's a custom table, right? So the underscore will be you underscore employee onboarding will be given. Okay, it's a custom table, right? So the pattern name should be you underscore, starting with you underscore. Okay, I don't want any string table. Just I want create module. Means in last class I have explained you, right? Here by searching DMO. This is the create module name. Here we have see create module means it will create a module for this one demo. These are the create. It will observe in mobile. This is known as mobile module. If you are not giving this create mobile module, it will just only visible like it just visible in a somewhere in the section. Okay, so I will give it create module. Okay, it's very important for this. Okay, we should the name should be here. See new menu name. The name employee onboarding. The menu name should be like employee onboarding. Okay, I think everyone is clear, right, about what is meant by create module. Create module means here we will observe this demo. In this way, it will be observed. Okay, this is known as create module. In this module, we will observe this demo table. Okay, here also same thing. I am using this employee onboarding. Okay, in this employee onboarding, I will use this employee onboarding as an table. Okay, I think everyone was clear, right? What is meant by create module and create mobile module means nothing but it will be observed whenever we log into our mobile also. In some companies they will access they will give access to our mobiles also. In those times we will observe this employee onboarding in system here ServiceNow navigation page. Actually we will observe here. Okay, so that's why we will enable our a mobile module. If in some companies they won't available, they won't give permission to log in mobile also. At that time point of time, we will remove unclick on this. We will unclick on this chatbots and we will submit the ticket. Now I will enable it because wherever we need, we should do it. If we want any add in any module means here we will add something module for means demo and all those things will be available here. Okay. Some modules we have, right? Here we have some modules, right? Let me say all these modules are. If we want to give any labels regarding, suppose I want to do this before self-service, here by clicking self-service, self-service here we will have, right? By clicking this self-service, the this employee onboarding will be visible under this self-service only. For this purpose, here the for this purpose, this field is useful. Okay, I don't need anything. Okay, that's it. Now here we see like columns. Still now we didn't create any columns right here. Okay. Now here controls. In controls, I will add as this employee onboarding. can be extensible. Okay, I want to see, if anyone want to extend this table, you extend fields, whatever the fields in this table will, if anyone want to extend from this table, they can be extend, and I will give as live feed, whatever the updates are been going to be done, each and everything should be updated and in this table and as well as the extended table. Okay, yeah, we do. I will explain this. Create access controls in later classes. Okay, here I have enabled this auto number. Auto number is employee EMP. The number should be start from 2000, means it's 2000. The number of digits is 7. 7 also 8. If you want to modify, we can modify it. I will mention this also default, and I am going to submit this. Submit this new record. Okay. See, now search for employee. Employee. Okay. By searching, see here we have employee. If you want you can search. See here by clicking this, I have opened this employee onboarding. Okay. This is that which we have created, right? Okay. Now this I need to explain you. Okay. Whenever we create a new table, by default there will be some fields which are some fields are this are known as some dictionaries. Okay, some dictionaries. All these are known as dictionaries. Okay, here the dictionaries will be created by default. This 8 dictionaries will be created. Okay, who this one is who is created by this sorry uh, just a second. Okay. Created by means who has created this table, and sys id means this one for everything there will be a unit sys id this or url is either like dev 27 on a system, these are all those things is known as sys id. It will be different from each and everything. Okay, then created when is it is created, updated by updates. These 8 are very very important. Okay, in some interviews also they will be asked like whenever we create a table, what are the default dictionaries that are added by default to the table, means we need to explain these 8 dictionaries as default dictionaries. Okay, I think everyone was clear right up to here. Okay, now here I will go for this home page and I will search for employee. I have created employee onboarding, right? Employee onboarding. So I want to refresh the page. I have not refreshed it. Just a second. By refreshing it, the updates will be updated. Okay. Now I will search for employee onboarding. Yeah, still no, it's not. It is not refreshed. The updates are not still are not refreshed. Yeah, see here we have that employee onboarding. Here we have this employee onboarding. Okay. Now I will open this employee onboarding. Here we don't have anything there. So here we can add some by doing the settings. We will add this whatever they needed. We will add. Just I will add these things. Okay. By adding this, it will be visible here in this navigation page. I have added all those things. Okay. Okay. Now I will click on this new. Here we don't have any fields still now. Only number is available because still now we didn't created any choices here. Okay. Sorry, choices not, we didn't create any dictionaries. Okay, so that's why it's not showing any type of dictionaries here. Okay, now I have a that's why here it is not showing. Okay, now I have a criteria, right? Here I see I think everyone was visible, right? This is the page where the field label, what are the labels I need to use, what is the column name, type, mandatory yes or no, reference, what is meant by reference, I will explain you. Description, what is meant by description, all those things will be now I will be going to add here in this yeah, table on employee onboarding. Okay, I think everyone was clear, right? I have opened this employee in table. I have opened this employee onboarding table. Okay, here by these are the default one which we have by default. It has been created. Okay, this is the auto number, right? It will be here we have this auto number, right? This will be this I will be going to modify it. Okay, I will modify this here. We have seen employee onboarding. It's a number. It should be as a number. So it's an auto number. Type is auto number. Okay. It's auto number, right? We have given it's an auto number. So that's why it is going to be auto number. So I will click on this. I will open in this number. It's an auto number, right? So I will going to modify as based upon onboarding number. I have copied this onboarding number. See, here we have this table, for which table we are going to create. It's has been shown as employee onboarding. String means I think in Java you have no, right. String means it's whatever the sentences we will return, which we will wrote all those things in string. Here the type, we have different types of types. We have, see, I will show you, right. Here you have, see, if we have any audio file, we will click on this audio file. If we have true or false, we will give this true. If it is false, we will for boolean thing. If suppose if anyone want to verify that it is true or false, then they will give true or false. If anyone want a date, a time, for those things, we will use this type as a date and time. Choice means for in separate field, what are the choices we need to. In this way, we have n number of this number of nearly 56 we have, right. We have 56 uh, types we have. See, password one, price, script means string means for a single line string. The string a full 8 UTF-8 means multi-line, means it will create some paragraphs. Okay, we can here add some paragraphs also here. But in string we have some limited access. It means it may be like from 1000 words or 100 words it will be have in string. But in string full UTF-8, it here we can have some n number of description we need. We will write in this string. Okay, here URL means we need to paste in some URL. Then image means image, video means video, workflow means workflow. In this way we have n number of strips. Okay, suppose this is a string, right. Number is going to be a string. Okay, number the length should be minimum is given as 40, or we can give as 80. No, I will give as 50. Okay, it's mandatory, right. By default it will be, so I will maintain it as a mandatory, and it should be display in this table, in this page whenever we open this onboarding. I need to visible this employee onboarding, means I will click this as an display. Okay, in this way we have done. No, that it is going to be modified. Here we have, see, I have mentioned this column name, I mean field label as employee onboarding, so I have given this employee onboarding. Okay, and I will going to update it. Now refresh the page. See, it is being updated as employee onboarding. Okay, I think everyone was clear, right. It's has been updated as employee onboarding. Okay, now I will open this table again. Here we have we have created onboarding number, and I need to create each and everything here, whatever here done, whatever we have created. See here, mandatory should be yes, so I have made it as and mandatory. If you want to give description, we can leave it. Okay, just employee name, I need to create it as employee name. So click on this new, and make it as type should be, the type should be what you have they have given. It's a string of 100. uh, by typing here string, we can given the name as employee name. Column name should be also by default it will be available. It should be 100. Here based upon this test file, I am no I am updating all those fields. It's mandatory, right? Yes, it's mandatory. It should be display, means display by giving this display it will be visible there. Okay, these choices means I will explain while creating choices. I will explain you. Okay, then submit it. The employee name has been submitted. Okay, then I need to create some other name called new. For everything we need to do it same in this way only. Employee ID. It's also string, right? I have given here. See, it's a string of 20 characters. string string employee ID of characters 20, right? It should be 20 and it is mandatory. As it's mandatory, there is no description, and then I will going to be submit it. If we can make it a display, we can display it, or we will configure. Okay, no issue there. Then going to new. This email is we don't have any. Let me say this email we have, right? Here we don't have any type of like email. In real time, some companies they will mention this as an email. They will give this type as an email by default. They while building their service portal, they will give this as an email. We don't have email, right? So I am going to give as a string. Okay. For email, I am going to give in as a string. Okay. Email max length will be it may be less 50, and it should be mandatory, right? It should be mandatory, yes. Okay, then I am going to submit. Then click on this new. From here, what is this? Then the mobile number, phone number. It's an also a string. Okay, on the string, phone number, maximum length should be 20. Then it is 15 they have given, right? So I will mention it as an 15. Okay, it's no, it's not mandatory. So I have left this. Okay. Then I am going to be submit this. Then department. From this new, here we have that type as an reference. I will explain it. It's very important. Okay, reference. Here we will click on, or if we will search for reference. See, by click on this, we have given reference. It's the column label should be as a field label should be as a department. The column number by default it will be available. But if you want to give it, we can give max length, or it's not important for this one, and it should be as a mandatory. They have mentioned it as a mandatory. Here the reference table should be CMN department. By seeing here, we have if we have in this we have in section all these things we will call it as in sections. Here in this section we have reference specifications. Okay. Here we should search for, here we have search led, here we should search for, or we can search for here, or we can type it here. By default there it will be visible. Here it is showing cmn underscore department, so I will search for cmn underscore, yes, cmm underscore department. This is the department name, back name of this department. By giving this, whenever the I will explain how after creating this table, I will explain. Okay, all those things. Here we have given that department. Okay, department. Here we have see some filters means these filters are useful for suppose I have given this anything if created is that whoever created this it should be on Tuesday. In this way they will be having. I will explain it. For this one it is not important. I will explain later. Okay, what is this? What is mean by this? Filters, add filter condition, add or clause, all those things I will be explaining later classes. Okay. Now I have given this reference as department, and then I am going to submit this ticket. Okay. Uh, those are dictionary. Okay, so then the job title, the next one should be job title, the reference should be string job title. Here the, sorry, I have pasted it. Job title by default, the maximum length should be 50. See, it should be 50. Is it is mandatory? Yes, it's mandatory. So we are making this as a mandatory, and I will be going to submit this one. Okay. Then I am going to click on this new. Next, joining date. Copy paste. The type should be here. The it should be as date. So here we have date, right? So by clicking on this, we have only date, right? If there is a date and time, we should mention this date and time. They have only date. So I will click on this date, joining date. For date and all those things, the maximum length is not required. For string purpose, the maximum length should be mandatory. Okay. So here it is not mandatory, so we are just leaving those, and then it's a mandatory. That's it, right? Okay, that's it. If it's display, what is meant by display means it will be visible in this while creating a table, or while here we are searching for this on table. I will explain this display means what means. Display is nothing but we will without configuring by default all the fields will be available in this uh, employee onboarding table. Okay, all these dictionaries will be we have created all these dictionaries, like by clicking those display whatever the dictionaries we have created, all those dictionaries will be visible on this employee onboarding table. Okay, without giving display also there is no issue. After that we will inherit those dictionaries. Okay, the next one, what is that? Manager. What is the type? It's reference only. Here also it's reference. See, I have searched for reference. It's man. He is a manager. So it's manager. Yes, it is mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory. By giving reference, here we have different specification is mandatory. Suppose I am going to submit the ticket, it will not be submit because here the mandatory field is given, like reference. So here the reference should be given. What is the reference? They have given sys user. Sys user means user, whoever the user, we should given him as an this reference. Okay. See here we have n number of users. Okay, SOS sys underscore user. In some sys here sys and some of the suppose some table names they have let sys underscore u underscore user means those are sorry, no, u underscore sys underscore user will be available. Those tables are known as custom tables, but these are the default tables. Okay, you need to very careful while creating this. Okay, we should mention sys underscore user. Okay, see for this default tables you will be have like sys underscore user. Okay, user. Okay, I'm going to submit this ticket. Then what is this? Then location. Then click on this new. What is the reference? Reference here the type should be as a reference. Okay, again we are going to search for reference, and the column label should be location, and the maximum length is not mandatory. Is it is mandatory? Yes, it's mandatory. I will click on this mandatory. Coming to these reference specifications, I will search for what they have mentioned. CMN underscore location. These are our backend names for location. Okay. The CMM underscore department, it's backend name for the department module. Okay. Here CMM underscore location means backend name for this location. SYS underscore user means sys underscore user means it's a backend name for user table. Okay. All these are backend names for all those things. Okay. It's very important. Then we have employee type. Employee type is choice. Okay. Now we will see some other type known as choice. What is mean by choice means I will explain it now. Okay. Here we on this choice. The choice, it's an employee type. Maximum length is not required. Is it mandatory? Yes, it's mandatory. Now I will going to submit this ticket. This record. Now by what is the employee type, right? Again I will open this employee type. And by scrolling this here, we have created like see here you have seen the choices. Here we need to add some choices because it's choices, right? So we need to add choices. Mandatory. All these choices are given here. In description, you can see right permanent, contract, intern. All those things will be now I am going to add here. By clicking new also we can add. Okay. By clicking new, here we will add as an permanent. Okay. I will copy paste here permanent, and I will submit this one. See, so I should mention this sequence. Here we have sequence here, it should be 100. Okay? 100 means first what, based upon this order only, the these choices will be visible. Okay, but click on this new also we can add. By default here we have, see that insert in new row. Here also we can, right, permanent next contract, right? See contract. I have copied this, and by clicking tab it will be going to next navigation page. Okay, here I will go into an 200. Then I will click on this another one. What is the third one? It's intern. Intern. Okay, I have copied it, I have pasted it, and I have entered, and I have submitted this one. Okay. Yeah, only we have three types of counter. So then, based upon this 100, 200, 300, it will be available in choices. Okay. Then I am going to update it. Okay. The choice fields has been updated. Okay. I will show you here. Okay. I will search for employee onboarding. Yeah, it's here. I am opening this. It's on this new. See here. Employee permanent contract intern. In this way, it will be available. None also by default it has been included. Okay. That's why by giving 100 based upon this sequence 100, 200, 300 based upon ascending order, it will be available. Suppose if I have given this 300 as an intern, 100, 200 as permanent, the intern should be visible on top, permanent should be second. In this way, it will be available. Okay. Then we have this all or n number of times we have it. Then we have like laptop required and ID card required, access required, background verification status. Please take a screenshot of this video of this page and you can practice the remaining things also. Okay. Choices I have here, the choices I have explained you, right? Choice, same which I have explained before. Choice. Multi-line test is nothing but I will open a new one. Okay. Here we will search for multi means we don't have any type of multi here. Okay, we will multi-line, we will go for string. String UTF we have, right? String full UTF. By this we will do, and we will use this one, and you can work on this for multi-line text. Okay. Then for choice I have just now I have explained you. Choice I have. Journal means HR comments. Okay. Journal means we can search here for journal. You will be available here journal. Okay. Same in this way. Work on everyone create the remaining fields, remaining dictionaries. Okay. Sorry, I think everyone was clear, right? If it is mandatory, yes, you can work on all those things. Okay. For these choices, it will be available here. Pending, completed, failed, permanent, trump. All those things will be available here. Okay. Requested, in progress, completed. If it is here, the choices here we have choice, right? Here the choices are yes or no. Okay, yes or no. These are the choices, two choices which I have given. Okay, for this choice we have like a permanent contract intern. This for these choices, it's yes or no are the choices which we should add in a dictionary. Okay. That's it. Okay. I think everyone was clear, right? This created by and created on or by default we have created, so we don't need to create these two uses. Okay. See here, all these are you understood will be given. But for these two things I have given as sys underscore created by and sys underscore created on means these are by default those two field names are by default they will be available. Okay. See, I will show you, right? In starting of the class I have mentioned, right? See here, created by, and then the other one is created on. This created on or created, both are equal. Okay. Created by and created on date. Okay. Those two are given. Okay. See, date and time, string created by a string, so it's a journal or it's a string. Okay. I think everyone please work on this one. Okay. Now here I have updated, right? Update this one, and I will going to refresh this one, and I think it's the video is more I think very lengthy. Okay. I think everyone was clear up to now, right? In next class, I will explain you how to sort all those things. Suppose in new table, in some new tables, you will be observed like, let me open some table. No, here, no, this one. I will open like instant, right? Instant on list. This is the battery name, right? I think everyone know it's okay. List. Instant dot list means it's a battery name. By clicking this new, you will be observed like here everyone is line by line. It will be visible like one down by another. Here you will be seen by here the number in this one it will be sorted, right, how it is going to be sorting, and all those things will be explained in the next class. I will explain in next class by click on this configure by drawing this form layout and form design. We will configure all those things and sort it based upon our requirement. We'll sort out all those things based upon in this way instant or short description, and all those things will be we will working on the next video. Okay. I think everyone was clear, right? Remaining the fields which I have given, right, here have not up to employee type I have done. Remaining laptop required, editor required, please work on all those things in the next video. I will explain you how to sort out all those things, and what is meant by form layout, form design, and all those things will be explained in the next classes. Okay. Okay, everyone. I think everyone was clear, right? If you have any doubts, you can pin on my comment section, and I will going to explain in a clear manner. Okay. Okay, everyone. I think everyone was clear. Okay. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts, you can pin on my comment section. Okay. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.